How to use the work management in Monday.com for a nonprofit organization. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Log into Monday.com and create a new board, naming it according to your nonprofit's project or workflow. 2. Add columns such as task name, status, priority, due dates, and assignees to track different operations. 3. Use groups to categorize different initiatives such as fundraising, volunteer coordination, or event planning. 4. Set up automations to send notifications, update statuses, or move tasks when certain conditions are met. 5. Integrate tools like Gmail, Slack, or Zoom to streamline communication with your team members. 6. Utilize dashboards to visualize progress and generate reports on key metrics like donations or volunteer hours. 7. Train your team on using Monday.com efficiently, ensuring smooth collaboration and optimized workflow management.